So this is our steak. Looks pretty seasoned. Forgot to say, added some ground mustard in there. Not a must, but I just like it personally. And then when you're making your steak, bro, or anything, you gotta oil the pan. You gotta oil the pan. And especially for me, there's a secret. There's always the joke that people say white people are afraid of flavor. Season the pan, bro. Salt and pepper. People say, oh, you like the taste of burnt pepper? No. But it makes the steak taste good. I got it on low right now. We're gonna do about 2-3 minutes each side, you know, medium. Finish it on high. Spray it down with some, I cannot believe it's butter because 0 calories. And it's gonna taste amazing. And it's gonna look amazing.
It's not sizzling too hard yet, but I unclipped the mic from my shirt because I want y'all to hear the sizzle that is starting and how epic. Just imagine how epic it's gonna become. Like, just look at this. Yeah, this is the mic right here. But yeah, I think that's a pretty good sizzle.
So this is the first look here. Not looking too great, but also you gotta wait for butter, bro. Butter is what makes the sears great. That's the key. You're gonna get your crust, and it's gonna look beautiful. Trust the process.
All right, we've let our steak rest for about a minute now. You're supposed to do it for longer, about 5, but I'm hungry. So we are going to cut down. Oh no, I see all the juices coming out. And here's our steak, nice and pink, not overdone. Mooing, ooh, it's still mooing. No, it's not. Okay, there we go, camera focused. I did leave out a lot of juices. Look at that, that is the cardinal sin. But yeah,